Today, we are in Jackson County in the Waterloo State Recreation Area for a trail to table adventure. What that means is we hike a trail like this and we pair it with some nearby food, because finding new places to eat and new trails to hike is one of our favorite spring activities. So this one, we've got Sackrider Hill Trail in the Waterloo State Recreation Area with Mama's Mercantile and Eatery. I hear they have an entire burger menu.
This is the warmest day of spring. I think it might be 80 right now.
Oh, so close.
79, high of 80.
I say that we can all just take a second to appreciate the fact that we've got green on the trees.
All right, throughout this hike, I'm going to ask you some random questions about the Jackson area. See how well you know your trivia.
Okay.
All right, so you already know that Waterloo State Rec Area is the largest in the Lower Peninsula.
Yeah.
How many acres is it?
23,000.
20,000.
Okay, I knew it was somewhere in there. We have to go this way if we're going to continue on our loop.
All right. Next question. How many lakes are inside of Waterloo Rec Area? Not the whole county, not the city, inside of the rec area.
16.
11.
11. Okay, I'm still close.
Go ahead and give a guess for the entire county.
I'm going to go back to 16.
16 lakes?
Yeah.
188. Next question. How many murals are part of Bright Walls now that it's completed?
42.
75. You have to think of the smaller ones that are on like the electrical boxes and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, that adds quite a few.
Whoa.
We might be coming up to the high point of this trail right now.
I was going to say, I didn't even realize how high up we were.
Yeah. This one might be too easy.
Okay.
What is the highest point inside of Waterloo Recreation Area?
Sackrider Hill.
That's Sackrider Hill. This is named after some people that settled in this area in the 1840s. Christian and Jane Sackrider. Where did Jackson, Michigan get its name? Like, what is it named after?
The Jackson 5.
Oh, that's a funny guess. President Andrew Jackson.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, it does.
This is perfect. This is a good couple miles to get us ready for our bigger hikes that we take during the summer.
When a rec area is as big as Waterloo, it's spread out. So you can have these little towns and cities spread throughout the rec area. So today, the restaurant we're going to is in Grass Lake, an area we've never been, even though we've been to Waterloo and throughout the rec area at different times. What I like about this is when doing the trail to table, if we have a trail we want to do, we have to find the table. Mm-hmm. And this is like the perfect setting close by to where we just hiked and has burgers on the menu. I mean, we both are picking a burger with the fruit in the name.
Yeah.
That's unique.
Yeah.
I think this is my first burger ever with blueberries on it.
So now that we're here, we need to do burger unboxing officially for this.
Burger and fruit. That's today's burger. We are unboxing every burger in Michigan, and this is the Blueberry Brie Burger from Mama's Mercantile and Eatery in Grass Lake. Let's pop the hood. A locally raised beef patty and brie cheese topped with a balsamic tossed arugula and a blueberry ginger compote. Is that how you say it? Compote? Compote? Anyways, it's all on a toasted brioche bun.
How's the blueberry?
I like it. They have unique burgers that I feel fit this area for some reason, like almost like a little bit of a farm style of burger.
For sure, my first peach burger. They do a good job of balancing the peach, but I didn't know that that's something that I wanted on a burger, and now I'm like, this is great.